Stephanie with WTI, and with me I have a FashionPuzzle chevron quilted crossbody, and let me just tell you, I absolutely love this purse for so many reasons. First of all, this color is adorable. They have tons of really great colors. It was hard for me to pick, but I felt like this mustardy yellow was like the perfect year-round color that also was really complementary with my clothes and my color scheme. It has a lot of pockets, and inside it has this really cool like leopard print type thing. Also, it's the perfect length, so when you put it on, you can either have it across you or just hanging on your shoulder, but it's thin enough to where it's like close to your body, which I like when I'm traveling. I always kind of like feel it near me, but it's also long enough to where it doesn't feel awkward. It doesn't hang too heavy. Also, from when I travel, it's really easy to put my passport in here and all my other documents. I've taken this purse with me everywhere, and it has stood the test of time. It's actually quite durable, and the handles are actually very strong to be like on the thinner side. It's also adjustable, which is cool because I'm a tall girl, but maybe for the shorter ones, you needed a little bit of a shorter length, and it's accommodating for that too. So really, if you're looking for adorable and really cute crossbody bag, this is the purse for you. But that's just my point of view.